What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Admetior Oven Thermometer in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the Rubbermaid Commercial Oven Thermometer. Rubbermaid has created an almost indestructible oven thermometer. Its temperature range goes from under 100 to over 550 degrees Fahrenheit and from 0 to 300 degrees centigrade. The stainless steel used to craft this product is of superior quality. It feels quite sturdy. Even the glass used in the lens is specially designed not to shatter. Thank you from all clumsy people, Rubbermaid. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Taylor Classic Oven Thermometer. When your oven is hot and you're baking a delicate treat, there's little room for error. That's why having large, clear temperature markings are so important. Thankfully, Taylor's tool has an extra large face that's easy to decipher. Its stainless steel body and glass dial are both resistant to corrosion, an important feature considering all the caked-on grease and debris they may encounter if used regularly. And since it's certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, you can rest assured that this model was designed with food safety in mind. At number 3 on our list, we have the Acuite Oven Thermometer. Why overcomplicate a good thing? Acuite's oven thermometer has a minimalist design made from stainless steel that can read temperatures ranging from 150 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Though it has a narrow base, it also comes with an integrated hanging hook at the top like several other models listed here. We like having the option as it can sometimes prove more stable, especially for recipes that require opening and closing the oven frequently for monitoring. It can also tell how temperature differs from oven rack to oven rack, something useful for baked goods like cookies. At number 2 on our list, we have the KT Thermo Oven Thermometer. An oven thermometer is useless unless it's accurate. Luckily, KT Thermo's designs have been thoroughly vetted for precision and is capable of reading temperatures ranging from 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it's safe to use even cooking at the highest temperatures, like when baking your own pizza. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it comes built with a hook at the top, so it can securely hang from grates and an angular base, so it can rest on top of them just as easily. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Jejoy Oven Large Dial Thermometer. If you want an oven thermometer that would measure the temperature inside a traditional oven and inside steam ovens, gas ovens, electric ovens, toaster ovens, convection ovens, stoves, grills, smokers, and air fryers, this is the one. This thermometer is relatively small, which makes the display hard to read sometimes. But it's also lightweight and unobtrusive. The hook and panel design make it easy to place anywhere in the oven or other heat appliance. The design also makes this thermometer relatively easy to clean. However, there do seem to be some shortcomings. As this is so inexpensive, that's to be expected. It tells the temperature, but slowly. The display also seems to darken over time. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.